Dad, can I ask you something? I've been thinking about it for a while, and I'm curious. I want to understand more about you. Please, I'm a little busy now. I have to go to work. But what do you want to know? Well, I know you work in an important company. You always say you are an executive, but I don't really understand what that means. What do you actually do every day? You already know what I do. I work in an office, I have meetings, and I manage things. It's not very interesting. Why do you want to know that now? I have to go. But for me, it is interesting. I don't see you at work, so I don't know how your day really looks. I want to know what you do from morning to night. I am just curious that's all. Ah, I don't have much time right now. I still have some things to finish. That's okay, Dad. I understand. I just wanted to know more about you. Sometimes I feel like I don't know your daily life, but I understand you're busy. Sorry. You know what? You're right. I should take some time for this. You want to know more about me? Well, I will tell you everything about my routine. Really? Thank you, Dad. I'm listening. I want to know everything. Please. All right. My day starts early. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I don't like to wake up late because I need time to prepare myself. Yeah, you never wake up late. What do you do first when you wake up? First, I turn off my alarm and sit for a moment. I don't use my phone immediately. I like to start the day slowly. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. In the morning, I usually do a short workout. I like to exercise in the morning. I stretch my body and sometimes I do light exercises like push ups or walking on the treadmill. After that, I take a shower. I prefer cold or warm water because it wakes me up. Then, what else do I do? Oh, of course. Then I get dressed for work. I see. That one question. Do you choose your clothes quickly? Yes, I do. I usually wear formal clothes. I wear a shirt, jacket, and sometimes a tie. As an executive, I need to look professional. That's why I'm wearing this suit now. After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen. I have breakfast every day. I don't skip it. We don't have breakfast together every day. So, what do you usually eat? I usually eat something simple. I have eggs, toast, and coffee. Sometimes also juice. I don't eat too much because I don't want to feel heavy. It's important. Sometimes I eat alone, sometimes with you and your mother. It depends on the time. After breakfast, I check my emails on my phone or laptop. I have to answer them. I read important messages from my team and from other departments. Hmm, that's interesting. Do you get many emails every day? Yes, I do. Every day I receive many emails. Some are urgent and some are not. Then I have to go to work. I usually leave the house at 7:30 a.m. I go by car. The traffic is sometimes heavy, so I need to leave early. When I arrive at the office, I greet my team. I say good morning to everyone. It's important to start the day with good energy. You will understand soon. Yes, I understand. And that, do you have your own office? Yes, I do. I have a private office where I work and have meetings. Oh, that's amazing. And what do you do first at work? Mm, First, I review the agenda for the day. I check my schedule. I usually have many meetings, so I need to be organized, very organized. As an executive, I manage projects and people. I talk to different teams and I make decisions. Make decisions? I don't understand. What kind of decisions? For example, I decide how to improve the company, how to solve problems, and how to reach our goals. I also approve plans and budgets, those decisions. Oh, now I understand. That sounds like a big responsibility. Yes, it is. I need to think carefully before I decide anything. During the day, I attend meetings. Some meetings are short and some are long. In meetings, we talk about projects, results, and plans. Many things. People present ideas and I listen. Then I give my opinion and guide the team. That sounds very interesting. Do you talk a lot? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. A good executive also listens, not only speaks. Around midday, I take a break for lunch. I usually eat at 1 p.m. Okay, lunchtime. Do you eat alone or with others? Your coworkers? Sometimes alone, but often with colleagues. We talk about work and sometimes about life. I relax a little, but I still think about work. It's hard to disconnect completely. After lunch, I continue working. I review reports, check progress, and solve problems. You are always solving problems that do problems happen often? Yes, every day. But that is part of the job. I help find solutions. In the afternoon, I usually have more meetings or calls. I also talk to clients sometimes. I explain our services, answer their questions, and make sure they are satisfied. And I think that's the end of the day. At the end of the day, I review everything again. I check what we did and what we need to do tomorrow. Plan again. I see. That's a very tiring day. What time do you finish work? I usually finish around 6:30 p.m., but sometimes later if I have more work. Then I go back home. The traffic is heavy again, so it takes time. Traffic is a real problem in our city, right? Are you tired when you arrive? Yes, I am. But I try to leave work stress outside the house. When I arrive home, I greet you and your mother. That is my favorite part of the day. I change my clothes and I sit for a moment. Sometimes I watch TV or talk with you. We usually have dinner together. I like that moment because we can talk about your day, our day. Yes, that's my favorite part of the day too. Do you still think about work? Sometimes, but I try not to. Family time is important. After dinner, I sometimes check a few emails again just to make sure everything is okay. Then I relax. I read a book, watch something, or just rest. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. I need to sleep well to have energy for the next day. Wow, I didn't know your day was so full. You do many things every day. Yes, being an executive is not easy. It requires discipline, responsibility, and patience. Now I understand you better. I see why you are sometimes busy or tired. Yes. And I understand something too. I should share more with you. You are growing and you want to know my world. I want you to know your father. Yes, I do. I want to learn from you because I know you are the best father. Then I will teach you step by step. So, is your routine tiring or relaxing? I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.